Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix setup was unable to create the directory. So while you are on your setup file and then the setup process is ongoing and you encounter this error, setup was unable to create the directory. Now there's only one solution for this that is very effective, that is to disable any third-party antivirus softwares on your Windows. So if you are using Malwarebytes, Avast, McAfee, or any third-party antivirus software on your Windows, then what you're going to do is just click on this show hidden icons on the taskbar. So if this is the Malwarebytes, Avast, or McAfee, because I'm not using any third-party antivirus softwares, if you're using on your Windows, and if this is in the show hidden icons, obviously that will appear right here. Just make a right click and then select exit or quit. Again, just make a right click and then select exit or quit. Now once done, that will temporarily disable the third-party antivirus softwares on your Windows. Click on the Windows security icon. Then here you need to click on the virus and threat protection. Then simply scroll down and you'll find virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. Disable the real-time protection, cloud delivered protection, and then simply scroll down and you'll find controlled folder access. Click on it. Manage controlled folder access. Make sure this is turned off. Then on the left pane, click on firewall and network protection. Then you have to click on this private network. Make sure the Microsoft Defender firewall is turned off. If this is switched on, just simply switch this off. Now once done, close this window and then continue on your setup. Continue the process on the setup file. And once this is done, what you're going to do is you need to enable again the Windows security, because this is very important security of your Windows. Click on the show hidden icons and taskbar, Windows security, virus and threat protection, manage settings, turn this on. So once the process is done, just simply enable it again, because these are very important security of your Windows. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.